Test ride Jetson Atlas fat tire electric bike.
Alright, I'm just going to do a little walk around of the bike. And show me next to it. I'm about 5'11", so let's see, it comes up. Right now I have the seat adjusted to about my hip. The tires, they claim to be 14-inch tires, and if you look at the actual identification, it does say 14-inch, and these claim to be 3 inches wide. They have grip on them. You have a headlight. Alright, here's the tool brakes. Little bell. Tail light. That's the hub motor. And there's your charging port. Overall, it's a very fun bike. It's a good value. Like I said, I was able to get this at Sam's for $4.49. It may be cheaper or maybe more expensive now. On their website, it's actually running at $6.99.
360 cam, so the proportions are a little off. The bike isn't as small as it may look in the actual video, but I thought this would be a good way to show you, how it looks. I'm riding along right here. The area I'm riding in is very hilly, and it's a part of Georgia with some very intense inclines. So I'm riding actually now towards a dip, and it's probably like a 45-degree dip. And I've noticed that with this bike, there's no friction when you're riding, so it's able to pick up speed quite fast. And on this particular hill, I've actually got to near 28 miles an hour on a bike, and on a bike that's crazy. Here's a little different view. This is a little camera mounted on my chest. Just to show you how the handlebars look. It's pretty plain. You can mount a phone holder on it. The little mechanism on the right side, that was for the camera mount. The throttle is on the right side as well. On the left side is a little bell. It's good for when you're riding near people. It's not super loud, but for people it's fine. Oh, the squeaking of the brakes. So the brakes are disc brakes, but they're compression disc brakes. They're not hydraulic. So I think it's just how much I've been riding it, and also maybe the inclines on the hills. But when I reach a high speed, you can hear them squeak, when you're actually slowing down. Yeah, it's very apparent right here. Thanks for watching the video, and overall I highly recommend this bike. It's a good entry-level electric bike, and it pretty much will get you the job done for most situations. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.